And then so I'm imagining the roofs in my head. I know you guys can't see it, but
Ask everybody what they thought of WrestleMania.
guys, did anyone watch WrestleMania?
The main event was so
Better? It'll look better in a little bit. I have like dolphin sounding. There's a dolphin in my house. Save him. I can't pick him up. Okay, I picked him up. Oh my god. Who put a dolphin in my house? Okay, now it doesn't look as tall because I'll put a little roof right there. It'll look so good. I'm actually so smart, guys. Okay, there's now a chicken up there. Interesting. Oh my god. I think it is good. I think it matches the other one. Oh, that is not right. That can't be right. What is going on with my roof? Why is one side different than the other side? It's because it's not centered. How come nobody said anything when I built it the first time and I said, does this look good? Because it did not look good. Now it's too blocky up here. Yeah. Which I think my little roof looks a little weird. I'm trying to do like a fade on my house, like my roof, but it's like honestly not working.
like a low taper fade.
Like a low taper fade.
Like a ninja.
Yep.
Imagine if Bird had a low taper fade.
Shut up. Okay. Do you see the vision with the fade? What is that bee doing? Bro, what is he doing? He's trying to get into his beehive, I think, but the tree is blocking him. You spin me right round. Oh. It's kind of like barely noticeable, but oh my god, so cute. Guys, look at my house. Oh my god, my house is beautiful. True. Where's the honor? I need someone to tell me how to make this out of stairs. Okay. Ah, it's so close. What's missing? Watch bird struggle to build a roof for an hour. What is this? Oh my god, what is happening? That looks kind of nice. Okay, good. That still looks correct. It's not perfect, and there's more to go. But honestly, it's a great start.